वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांना तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकी. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाव टू मेक pakodas of brinjal, and these are our homegrown. So we have harvested this today, and we will make out of this. So first of all, we have to boil this in pressure cooker for 1 sitty, salt and little bit of water. So I've added salt. Now I add water and we'll give 1 whistle to this. Only 1 whistle. Then we need 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 whole pod of garlic. So I have taken 1 whole pod of garlic. It depends. If you want less, then you can add less to this, and 1 green chili, which is very spicy. So depending on the chilies, light green if you are adding, then you can add little less. So this we have to grind to a fine paste. So this is ready. Now what we need is, I have taken, this is a sweet potatoes season, so I have taken 3 sweet potatoes boiled for 4 whistles, 4 to 5 whistles. Then I have from my garden some kale, some baby spinach, and little bit of red, that is red spinach, amarnath. So this finely chopped I will add along with this, and a few curry leaves again from our garden. Basil leaves I will garnish it, and these are the chilies which I will garnish later. So let's start. So I will add curry leaves and our lasun and chili and cumin to this. I will also add our greens and the sweet potatoes to this. Salt will add now. Salt to taste. Then we'll add a few masala to this, that is a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and we'll add little bit of garam masala, that is half teaspoon of garam masala. So we'll mix this, and we can mash all this nicely. Mash all this and keep aside. Now we just in between and take out the seeds. In a spoon. These are so tender, so I am not taking out, and I will stuff this now inside this. So instead of removing it, because they are very tender, I will stuff in this only. Stuffing. So like this only you stuff all. So if yours is not so tender, then you take out the middle part and don't discard it. You can add in the masala. Taking 3/4 cup of chana atta, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cooking soda. So like cooking soda, you can use even Eno. Mix this all. Then we add little water and make a smooth batter. A thick smooth batter. So I have added around like half cup of water to this quantity, but regularly I make this, so I have got this, but you can check because we want a thick batter. See that there is no lump. Now make your oil hot. So batter amche ready asa. So now the batter is ready. We will dip this and fry it. So oil has to be slowly make hot, okay? And here it is, it's ready to go in our plate. Try and make this in your kitchen and enjoy. You can have it with some gravy or something. It's up to you how you want to have that.
Here we are, it's ready. Brinjal pakoras, homegrown brinjal, and chilies, ornamental chilies, all homegrown. Looks yummy and tasty. Thank you.